It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere, oh everywhere you go. Look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow, all aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store and every store. The prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door, your own front door. Humbaloo's and a whistleishes of the wish of Barney and Ben. The hope of Janice and Jen. Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere, oh everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. The sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow, mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells, oh soon the bells will start. And the thing that will make them ring, the carol that you sing right within your heart. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, Christmas, Christmas.
It's freezing in here.
Oh, I'm sorry, dear. I had to turn down the heat. There's an energy crisis going on, don't you know?
Oh, my beard is frosting up.
Oh, well, you just bundle up warm, dear. We can't have you catching a cold this close to Christmas Eve.
Me catch a cold? I'm fit as a fiddle.
Oh, more like a cello, dear.
Well, I've never been sick yet. And if I were to get sick, the UHI would come in and substitute for me.
UHI?
Well, yes, the Union of Holiday Icons.
Oh, well, let's just hope we never have to call them, dear. I can't imagine who could possibly substitute for Santa Claus.
Oh, don't you worry. What the devil could possibly happen to little old me?
Over the ground lies a mantle of white, a heaven of diamond shines down through the night. Two hearts are thrilling in spite of the chilly weather. Love knows no season and love knows no clime. Romance can blossom most any old time. Here in the open, we're walking and hoping together. Just we two alone. Sleigh bells ring, ring-a-ling, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman, and we'll pretend that he's Parson Brown. Hey Parson, he'll say, are you married? We'll say, no man. But you can do the job when you're in town. In town later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland, walking and talking with my baby hand in hand, walking in a winter wonderland.
I can't take it anymore. Brimstone,
You bellowed your evilness?
That music is driving me crazy! I hate Christmas!
It's only once a year, your mischievousness.
But I've lived for 2,000 years, and every year it's the same. Merry this, happy that. It makes me sick. It's discrimination, I tell you.
Discrimination?
Yeah, discrimination. All the good boys and girls get toys. But what do the bad kids get?
Elected to Congress?
Nothing! Oh, maybe a lump of coal. And you know who the main instigator of this merry, happy discrimination is? Santa, Kris Kringle, Saint Nick, Santa Claus. He keeps track of who's naughty and who's nice. He makes a list.
Checks it twice.
He discriminates between naughty and nice. Whatever happened to fairness? Without bad, there is no good. Without naughty, there is no nice.
Without the coyote, there is no roadrunner.
Sure. But you know what really burns me up?
The fires of hell?
That goody two-shoes Santa Claus gets all the attention. Why shouldn't I get some attention sometimes, huh? I'm a powerful guy, I'm important, and I wear red too.
Sir, you complain about this every year. Maybe you should stop complaining and do something about it.
When I want your opinion, I'll give it to you. Hey, maybe I should stop complaining about this and do something about it. 2,000 years of sulking, and where has it gotten me, huh? Yeah, it's time I take things into my own hands.
Jingle, 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 jingle all the way. On a road dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride. Soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. Jingle, 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 the horse was lean and lank. Misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and we got upset. Jingle, 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 jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A one-horse. Open sleigh. Jingle, 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 jingle all the way. Hey!
This is one of my favorites. One little sip, et voila. First, you feel a little giddy, and then pow! You are sick in bed for days. Perfect. There is enough there to infect Santa and all of his elves and reindeer.
Oh,
Excellent.
empty bottle.
Be careful with it, that is all I have.
What's in it?
It is from the foulest, stinkiest place known. It is water from the Alumni Canal.
No!
Wait, pick it up!
I'm not touching it.
Don't look at me.
There's barely any left.
There is just enough to infect one person.
Who shall it be, your nastiness?
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be which inspire your heavenly song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Rudolph, hurry up. It's almost time. Where's the rest of the presents?
There aren't any more.
What?
That's it.
Yep, it's a pretty short list this time.
Oh, I don't understand. What happened?
Well, I mean,
The population's growing. Why is our list shrinking?
actually, your nice list is shrinking.
Oh.
Your naughty list is growing.
Oh, we should show him. Oh. Ooh. Well, wait. Some of these were on the nice list last year. What happened?
It was an election year, dear.
This is so depressing.
We have just the thing to raise your spirits.
Oh, look, dear. It's one of our hard-working elves. And loyal reindeer.
Yeah, that's it. What are your elves and reindeer? That's the ticket.
Do I know you?
Say, I don't recall seeing you here before. Aren't you a little tall to be an elf?
Well, I've always been on the taller side, even when I was a child. The kids used to call me Big Elf.
Yeah, big elf's a bum.
We know how hard you work at this time of year, what with delivering presents and all, so we just thought you deserved a little something for yourself.
Oh, what a beautiful bottle.
It's the most popular elixir these days. It's called Ode to Aloha.
Sounds exotic.
One little sip and all your troubles melt away.
Oh, well. People drink this, you say?
It practically flows like water at Waikiki.
Oh, well then. Oh, well, I am feeling a little giddy.
Jinga 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 jing jinga 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 jing. Oh, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Oh, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Oh, jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing and jingle bells sway all night in the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time. one-horse sleigh. Oh, giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingling beat, 'cause that's the Jingle Bell Rock. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Hey, Jingle Bell time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingling beat, 'cause that's the Jingle Bell Rock. Oh, that's the Jingle Bell. That's the Jingle Bell. Oh, yeah, it's the Jingle Bell. Jingle Bell Rock. Where everybody's doing a Jingle Bell Rock. Jingle Bell.
Are you okay, dear?
I knew you weren't one of my reindeer. You devil! What have you done to Santa?
Oh, don't worry. The sneezing won't last forever. Just a few days.
A few days, but I mean, it's Christmas Eve. He won't be able to deliver presents.
Exactly. Come on, Britt. Our work here is done.
After you, your vindictiveness.
What are we going to do now?
Oh, I think we better call the UHI.
Who?
The Union of Holiday Icons. Santa's Union.
Santa's in a union. Keep working, guys. Mrs. Claus and I are on a mission.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white, be white. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright. And may all your Christmases be white. May all your Christmases be white.
Oh, it's Mr. Claus. He has a terrible cold.
He's sneezing so much he can't deliver presents on Christmas Eve.
Oh, that's bad. That is really bad.
Oh, please, please help us.
Of course, we just got to find a substitute. Let's see now. Oh, here's one.
Easter Bunny here. You don't say! That devil always pulling tricks. What's that? You want me to substitute? Well, I can't. Because I'm hibernating, that's why. Because it's in my contract. I'm sorry, I can't.
The Easter Bunny can't do it.
Well, is there anyone else?
Well, let's see. Maybe the Great Pumpkin.
Hello?
Hi. Can I speak to the Great Pumpkin, please?
Speaking.
You're the Great Pumpkin?
Uh-huh.
You sound a little young.
Hey, it's only December. I may be a little sprout now, but in 10 months, I'll be a huge pumpkin, mister.
Well, sorry. But hey, we're in a jam here. Santa's sick, and we need somebody to fill in for him. Can you do it?
Ooh, yeah, that'd be cool.
Really? Great. If you could be here tonight, you could start driving the sleigh right away.
But I don't have my driver's license yet.
Oh.
Weird.
Scratch the Great Pumpkin.
Oh, well, what now?
Well, there is one last person.
I could be
Santa Claus
for just one day. I'd
fill a bag with kindness, and I'd give it all away. I'd make the world a better place. I'd do that if I could. I love the way it feels inside when I do something good. I wish I could be Santa Claus, imagine that. Although I could not fill his boots, I'd look great in his hat. I'd love the milk and cookies, and there's one more thing I'd do.
I try to teach the kids to be a
Little more like you.
We know that
Love, yes, love can bless the heart. When tears begin to fall, we know that love is the message of the season, the greatest gift, and yes, one size fits all. I wish we could be Santa Claus. Perhaps we can. The job's about the giving, not the suit and not the man. It's all about the caring and the part that we can play in spreading love and peace on earth and love on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day, spreading love.
I wish I could be
Santa Claus, Santa Claus.
Oh, success, success! The sweet smell of success! Oh, finally I can rest in peace without that infernal Christmas music or...
Hello? UHI, never heard of. What? Contract? I never. You're kidding me, right? Ah!
Something wrong, your despicableness?
That was my union.
You're in a union?
Apparently, I joined a couple 100 years ago when the humans were looking for holiday icons. I auditioned to be the Grinch. I auditioned for Halloween, but I was beaten out by the Great Pumpkin.
Isn't that a little long to be holding a grudge, sir?
I don't care about that. But to audition, I had to join the Union of Holiday Icons. And I guess I never canceled my membership.
And that means what?
According to my union contract, if I'm not already assigned to a major holiday, I have to cover for the other icons if they ever get sick.
No, don't tell me that you gotta...
Yes, I have to fill in for Santa. Oh, woe is me. Can I get no respite from this Christmas madness?
Excuse me, your despicableness, but I have an idea. Maybe if you fill in for Santa this year, you can really mess up Christmas. Maybe you can do something about the discrimination to all the naughty kids. And maybe you can right the wrong of all these past centuries.
Hey, this could be a blessing in disguise. I could take over for Santa and really mess things up. I like it. Payback time. Come on, Grim. Revenge calls.
Right away, your vindictiveness.
One, two, three. Do-ba, 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 da-da-da-da-da-da. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. Do-ba, 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 da-da-da-da-da-da. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. Then he slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant around the whole room, and he took every present. And he stuffed them in bags, and then the Grinch very nimbly stuffed all the bags one by one up the chimney. Then he stuffed all the food up the chimney with glee. And now, Grinch the Grinch, I will stuff up the tree. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty and wafty skunk. You're a skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk. You're so bad.
Fuss all you like, but that's just the way it's gonna be. Now there will be equality for everyone. No more discrimination. This year, There will no longer be toys for the good kids and lumps of coal for the bad kids. This year, everyone gets coal! Hey, I'm in charge here. It's in my contract.
Settle down, guys. That devil may have a contract, but we've got something he ain't got.
When you're blue and oh so lonely, and the world has turned on you, faith and hope are waiting only, waiting for your heart to join them, to join them too. You gotta have heart. You gotta have heart. All you really need is heart. When the odds are saying you'll never win, that's when the Grinch should start. You gotta have hope. You gotta have hope. Mustn't sit around and mope. Nothing's half as bad as it may appear. Wait till next year and hope. Wait and hope. Your luck is bad. Zero. Get your chin up off the floor, off the floor. Yes, you can be a hero. Yes, sir. Open any door. There's nothing to it but to do it. You gotta have heart. Miles and miles and miles apart. Always fine to be a genius, of course, but keep that old horse before the cart. First you gotta have heart. Gotta have heart. Gotta have heart. Gotta have heart. When your luck is bad and zero, get your chin up off the floor. Mister, you can be a mister. You can be the one to open any door with heart. All you really need is heart. Oh, it's fine to be a genius, of course, but keep that old horse before the cart. First you gotta have heart.
It is freezing up here. How many more houses do we have to visit?
Only a few billion more.
A few billion?
Oh, stop complaining. Enjoy the night air.
How about you come up here and enjoy it, and I'll ride in the back.
It's not in my contract.
Hey, how come I'm the only one pulling this sleigh? Where are all the other reindeer?
They're on strike. If Santa doesn't drive, they don't have to pull. It's...
Don't tell me. It's not in their contract. I think I need a new contract.
Oh, chill, Brim. I made it funny. Get it, Brim? Chill.
Yeah, hilarious.
Look at all the folks down there going about their Christmas business. After today, there'll be no more Christmas cheer.
Excuse me, sir. Something's happening down there.
Huh. So it is.
The lights, they're going out.
Hey, watch where you're steering this thing.
Hey, you're the one driving.
But I can't see a thing.
Neither can I. Where's Rudolph when you need him?
Ow!
You know Dasher and Dasher Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall those famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. Rudolph the only red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Yay, Rudolph!
What happened?
Ooh, you boys crashed.
Brimstone.
Oh,
Where's Brimstone?
Oh, settle down. He's right over there. He's okie dokie. You boys are lucky, eh? Rudolph and his reindeer were following right behind you, and they saw you crash.
Following us?
Oh, for sure. As soon as you left, they grabbed the spare sleigh and delivered all the toys.
There's a spare sleigh?
Oh, you betcha there is.
Huh. That must cost you.
Oh, it cost us nothing. It was on the house. So Rudolph and the boys, they were following right behind you, but you probably couldn't have seen them on account of the energy crisis, don't you know?
There's an energy crisis?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Energy prices are up all over the world. So folks are turning off their lights earlier this year. I bet it was powerful dark up there.
Yes. I remember now. The lights were going out and we couldn't see where we were going.
Oh, that explains why you hit the water tower.
Well, at least I managed to ruin Christmas for a few billion homes. Some kids will find coal in their stockings. You hear that, Brim?
Yay!
Not so much. You see, Rudolph and the boys, they delivered all of the coal too.
They did?
Oh, yeah, for sure. In fact, with all the extra coal, I was able to heat up the house again. Mr. Claus, he's already over his cold. Oh, settle down. Just relax. Say, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why is it that you guys want to be doing evil anyway?
I can't help it. I was born this way.
Oh, pish! Says who?
Everyone. Don't you know? That's why everybody hates me.
Oh, well, not so much. After what you boys did, they don't hate you anymore. Listen.
Hey, you hear that, Brim?
Now, I know that dear boys don't really want to be evil. You just need someone to love ya, eh?
Oh, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone! And you, I owe you a huge word of thanks. Because of what you did, we had the brightest Christmas that we've had in centuries. What you did with the coal was genius. Pure genius.
Hey, you hear that, Brim? He said I'm a genius. Finally, some recognition.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah? Hey, that sounds like a song. Let's sing, everybody.
No singing. The master hates Christmas music.
Oh, chill, Brim. I think I can make an exception just this once.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you are. Good tidings.